Okay, so this is our senior project. It's a RFeyeD personnel tracking device. We have 3 different rooms represented here. We also have 3 students and 2 teachers represented with swipe cards and lockdown and evacuate cards. How this works is somebody comes and swipes in. It will track their location on a website, and security can look at the website and tell who is in what room at any given time. Now, to demonstrate this, Aaron will demonstrate.
So, when a student comes up to the room, or a teacher, they will have to swipe their ID card to get into the room. Student number 3 is going to enter room number 2, and you'll notice that the door light will show that it was unlocked. He will now be entered into room 2.
So this is the site. If we go to room 2, it shows student number 3 in room 2.
So I'm now going to put in student number 2. He should go into the second spot of room 2. And the door is unlocked. He's now in the second spot.
The page will refresh, and there it is.
So, if student number 3 leaves the room, that spot will be vacated on the list. He will now be out of the room, opening up the first slot.
As you can see.
And now say a teacher enters, he will be put into that first open spot, no matter where it is on the list.
So now, if a student tries to get into the teacher's lounge, which we are representing with room number 3, they will not be able to because they need the right code to get into the room. The door will not unlock, not allowing them into the room.
So, student number 3 tries to enter the teacher's lounge. It will not recognize the card. But teacher 4, and the door unlocks.
That shows the teacher in the teacher's lounge. Another functionality of our project is in case of emergencies, we have a lockdown functionality and an evacuate functionality. One way we can do that is by swiping a lockdown card.
I will swipe it.
You can see that there is a lockdown light flashing.
There's also an alarm.
You may not be able to hear it, but
And the door will stay locked.
no one, when lockdown is initiated, no one is allowed to leave the building, so the doors remain locked and everybody stays where they are. To get out of lockdown, all you have to do is swipe the lockdown card again. The same works with evacuate.
Evacuate will unlock all the doors, and students and teachers can also swipe in and out of each room.
Another way we can go in and out of lockdown and evacuate is to go to the site. On the main site, we have 2 links for lockdown and evacuate. If you were to click that link, it puts it into lockdown. So you can see here the lockdown light is on, and you can hear the buzzer. To get out of it, the lockdown, all you would need to do is return the building to normal status. The same works for evacuate. And that is the functionality of our project.